take turns keeping watch. The Meerkat on PBS Kids Animal Alphabet.
Hello, folks. It's me, the conductor. Today, the Pteranodon family meets twin dinosaurs called Dilophosaurus who've got not one, but two crests. So come on along with me on the dinosaur train. All aboard!
This program was made possible by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Dinosaur train. Dinosaur. Once upon a time there was a mom. Her name was Mrs. Pteranodon. Sitting on her nest she heard a scratching and said,
"Oh boy, my eggs are hatching."
One by one her kids pop free. Baby Pteranodons, 1, 2, 3.
I'll name you Tiny, Shiny, and Don.
But Tiny said,
Wait, there's one more, Mom.
the last little baby was a different size, with teeth and a tail and big green eyes.
This is the Maryland Emergency Management Agency with the coordinated test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters are testing equipment used to warn you during an emergency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
I smell a conifer tree.
I smell a magnolia tree.
Now I smell... Wait a minute. What's that noise?
I have a better seat.
No, mine is better.
Hi, I'm Tiny Pteranodon, and this is my brother Buddy, and our mom. Mom, who are you guys?
I'm Devlin Dilophosaurus, the older brother.
Hi, I'm Dylan Dilophosaurus, and he's not older. We're twins. So, what were you guys doing just now?
It's a game we play called Sniff. We both sniff the air and say what we smell.
You play games together?
All the time. Buddy's really, really good at sniff. He has an amazing nose. It's the best around.
I bet my nose is better at smelling.
Nuh-uh, mine is definitely better. I smell the snack cart.
Now I'm closer to the snack cart.
I'm so much closer. Plus, I bet I can eat more carrion kebabs than you.
Don't think so. I'll eat them all.
I'm a carnivore too.
Yeah! Go carnivores!
High four, buddy.
Double high four too, buddy.
You guys, I was wondering about your double crests. Are they for something special? Do you use them to show off?
Yeah! Watch this! Look at mine!
No, look at mine.
Look!
Me first.
Can you hoot with your crests?
Nope, we can't hoot with either crest.